ITS Enclosures offers various accessories to create the perfect enclosure solution. Introducing the Sanitary Leg Kit. It is ideal for NEMA 4X freestanding computer enclosures. The stainless steel Sanitary Leg Kit can take the place of PC enclosure castors for washdown environments, including the food, drink, and pharmaceutical industries. The NEMA 4X rated kit includes a set of 4 legs, which are adjustable from 4.75 inches to 5.75 inches. The legs provide clearance between the NEMA 4X enclosure and the floor for increased washdown capability. The IceStation Sanitary Leg Kit is made in the USA and is always completely assembled and ready to use upon delivery. Still have questions? Call 1-800-423-9911. Email info@itsenclosures.com. or visit ITSEnclosures.com and click on the Products tab to find our full list of accessories.